Hey guys, it's your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up out of New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? Uh, just want to invite you to the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. All roads lead to New Orleans to a 4-day line dance weekend. For details about this information, please visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. And I am here to present the line dance. Can we talk? Yes. The name of the song is Can We Talk, of course, by Kevin Campbell. And the choreographer is Faith Manning. If you or someone you know is located in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Again, if you are in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Again, the line dance is Can We Talk? Here we go. And there you go, guys. Y'all have fun with it. Can we talk for a minute? Make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. I would love to see you at the NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Weekend, July 7th through the 10th, 2022. For all the details, guys, everything you want to know. If you want to register, if you want to book your hotel, it all takes place at our website, www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.